upon my face brings me back to a quiet place. Golden light through palm trees sway. A brand new world begins today. Morning breeze, my heart awakes. Every sound a piece it makes. From the shore the echoes call, reminding me I've seen it all. The waves still hum, the birds still sing. The sun paints gold on everything. The coffee warm, the air so kind. The world resets my wandering mind. Each step I take feels calm and new. Each dream reborn in morning dew. The reggae beat, the bassline slow, carries peace I used to know. I breathe the salt, I feel the sun. The day begins, my race is run. No more fear, no need to hide. The light of life shines deep inside. The rhythm rolls, the shadows fade. A better self the dawn has made. Morning breeze, you set me free. From all I was, I come to be. Morning sun, your work has just begun. Breeze so near, whisper hope into my ear. The echoes roll, the rhythm slow. The river hums where rivers flow. The bassline warm, the tone so true. The day reborn through me and you. Gentle light turn my dark to bright. Endless blue, I find my peace in you. The dub expands, the echoes wide. The ocean waves and time collide. The rhythm pure, the soul set free. The morning breeze still sings through me. The city wakes, the world feels kind. The music comes inside my mind. The children watch, the world feels kind. The music comes inside my mind. The children laugh, the people smile. The day begins in reggae style. The wind still moves, the sky still glows. The spirit hums in steady flows. Each beat a sign, each sound a grace. That life can start from any place. No end to love, no fear to stay. The dawn returns to guide my way. The sun still soft beneath my feet. The rhythm calm, the groove complete. I raise my eyes, I breathe a tone, and know I'm never quite alone. The breeze still cool, the light still true. The world begins and I do too. Morning breeze upon my face brings me back to a quiet place. Golden light through palm trees sway. A brand new world begins today. Morning breeze, my heart awakes. Every sound a piece it makes. From the shore the echoes call, reminding me I've seen it all. Morning breeze, carry my soul with ease. upon my skin. The world slows down, the peace begins. A gentle sound, a healing tone reminds me I am not alone. Rainy groove, the bass line low carries calm in every flow. Through the gray, through silver skies, I find my truth where silence lies. The window hums, the roof beats time. Each drop becomes a soothing rhyme. The coffee steam, the candle glows. The rhythm moves where time still flows. The reggae chords, the soft refrain turn every storm into a game. No need for sun, no need for blue. The rain still shines in shades of hue. The city sleeps, the air feels kind. The echo clears my crowded mind. The thunder rolls, the sound is wide, but peace still blooms from deep inside. The snare so light, the bass line near. It drowns my doubt, it calms my fear. Each drop a word, each tone a prayer. The storm reminds me love is there. Raindrops fall upon my skin. The world slows down, the peace begins. A gentle sound, a healing tone reminds me I am not alone. I've run from storms, I've fought the rain. I've carried hurt, I've felt the pain. But now I see the gift it brings. The sound of life in everything. The rhythm flows, the air feels clean. The raindrops paint a silver scene. Each echo soft, each note divine. It melts the walls inside my mind. The thunder low, the snare still true. The bass line hums a deeper view. Each wave of sound, each breath of grace becomes the calm I can embrace. No sorrow left, no fear to stay. The rain just sings the pain away. The rhythm moves, the heart replies, and love keeps shining through the sky. Ooh, rainy groove, you know what hearts can prove. Ooh, thunder kind, you wash the weight from mine. The echoes roll, the river wide. The sound becomes the evening tide. Each tone repeats, each chord still true. The sky still hums a deeper blue. Ooh, gentle fall, you make me feel it all. Ooh, sweet refrain, you turn my tears to rain. The bass line low, the snare so mild. The world still hums, the soul beguiled. The dub expands, the lights grow dim. The rain and rhythm start to blend. The storm fades soft, the night grows clear. The peace remains still crystal near. The puddles shine, the air feels new. The world reborn in silver hue. The reggae groove still calm and slow. The love inside begins to grow. Each drop still falls, each note still kind. I leave my pain so far behind. No rush, no fight, no noise, no race. Just rhythm flowing into grace. Each sound a wave, each tone a hand that lifts my heart to understand. The rain still hums, the bass line deep. The groove still rocks the world to sleep. And though the clouds may pass away, their song reminds me I am not alone. Rainy groove, the bass line low, carries calm in every flow. Through the gray, through silver skies, I find my truth where silence lies. Now twilight hums, the lights turn low, the raindrops whisper soft and slow. Each tone a sigh, each breath a flame, each echo calls my secret name. The storm that raged now fades away, the rhythm still begins to play. Each drop a sound, each note a prayer, reminding me that love is there. Still the sound drifts wide, the rhythm calm, the heart untied. The thunder gone, the peace remains, the groove still hums through gentle rains. Each breath I take, each note I keep, becomes the song that rocks my sleep. Rainy groove, you set me free and pour your calm all over me. Rainy sound, you bring the healing round. Ooh, gentle tone, you make this soul your home. The bassline deep, the raindrops slow, the night still shines with silver glow. Rainy groove, my heart still sways through every storm, through evening calm, the sky turns gold, the light grows soft, the air feels old. Every sound slows down to rest, the day lays quiet on my chest. Evening calm, my heart breathes slow, the rhythm hums from long ago. The world still spins, the stars were right, peace returns beneath the skies. The palm trees sway, the children's laughter turns to whispers fading after. The ocean glows, the city sleeps, the light dissolves in silver deeps. The bass line hums, the drums still roll, the evening soothes my weary soul. The world still hums, the breeze still kind, and quiet clears my crowded mind. Each tone a sigh, each note a prayer, love still floating in the air. No need to move, no need to run, the day is gone, its work is done. The rhythm slow, the colors fade, the peace of night begins its shade. Evening calm, you hold me true, you turn my gray to golden hue. Evening calm, the sky turns gold, the light grows soft, the air feels old. Every sound slows down to rest, the day lays quiet on my chest. I thank the sun for all it gave, for love and light, for all it saved. Each tear I cried, each joy I found, becomes a rhythm, pure and sound. The sky still warm, the stars appear, their melody still draws me near. The dub expands, the bass still deep, the world drifts softly into sleep. I hum a tune baseline rose, the echoes fade, the rhythm soft, the night remade, the stars still hum, the sound still wide, the piece of dusk won't leave my side. Ooh, gentle sound, you bring the healing round. Ooh, soft refrain, you calm my heart again. The reverb deep, the drums still kind, the world still breathing, peace of mind. The dub expands, the tone still true, the evening calm still carries you. The night arrives, the air so sweet, the sand still warm beneath my feet. Each wave returns, each tide still slow. The world begins its gentle glow. I see the moon rise from the sea and feel its calm surrounding me. The rhythm soft, the sound still near, the voice of peace is all I hear. No fear remains, no dream undone. The heart and world become as one. The stars still hum, the sky still wide. I let my soul drift with the tide. No need for words, no need for plans, just love that lives in Jah's own hands. Evening calm, your grace I find, you ease the corners of my mind. Evening calm, the sky turns gold, the light grows soft, the air feels old. Every sound slows down to rest, the day lays quiet on my chest. Evening calm, my heart breathes slow, the rhythm hums from long ago. The world still spins, the stars will rise, peace returns beneath the skies. Now silence hums where daylight fades, the city hides in gentle shades. The waves still roll, the rhythm wide, the dub still echoes deep inside. Each breath I take, each tone I feel, reminds me life is always real. The baseline hums, the moonlight glows, the world forgets its weary woes. I close my eyes, I drift away and let the rhythm softly play. Each tone a kiss, each note a prayer. The night now holds me everywhere. The stars still shine, the sea still the truth still glows from the inside. Baseline heavy, heartbeat slow, smoke rise high where the cool winds blow. The echo bounce from side to side, the rhythm moves like a rising tide. Each snare hits sharp, each guitar bright, offbeat slicing through the night. The people sway, the spirits rise under the sound of the island skies. The drums speak truth, the horns reply, the voices lift and testify. From the dance hall gates to the mountain top, the rhythm speaks and it never stops. Every soul, every sound, one love beat that shakes the ground. The night's still warm, the moon's still high, the groove still flowing pure and wide. Hey, keep the fire burning, your light still strong, the roots still move, the night's still long. From the streets to the shore, the rhythm flows tight, drums keep rolling through the heart of the night. I've walked the roads, I've felt the rain, I've carried joy, I've carried pain, but through it all, the rhythm stays, a heartbeat through the endless days. The bassline hums, the world feels small, but love still answers every call. The roots run deep, the vibe still pure, through every storm, the sound endures. Each note a prayer, each tone a sign, the music sacred and slow divine. No gold, no fame, no crown to wear, just truth and peace in the open air. The rhythm strong, the people sing, freedom flows in everything. No chain can hold, no hate can bind, the light of just still in my mind. Oh, keep that fire, lift me higher. Ooh, roots so deep in you, so deep. The echoes roll, the river wide, the spirit drifts with every tide. The horns still blow, the drums still call, one rhythm rising over all. Ooh, night so long, still we sing this song. Ooh, vibe so strong, keep the people moving on. The bassline talks, the dub still burns, the groove still twists, the planet turns. From Kingston town to Sugar Shore, the reggae heart will beat once more. Now dawn breaks slow, the fire low, but still the rhythm steady glow. The sky turns red, the drums still play, a brand new light, a brand new day. The roots still hum beneath the feet, the sound still warm, the air still sweet. Each soul reborn, each voice still true, the rhythm flows through me and you. Keep that groove, don't let it fade, it's more than music, it's what we made. Each breath, each sound, each little flame carries your love in every name. No night was long, the fire low, but your light starts to softly glow. The drums begin, the bass line deep, awakening hearts from restless sleep. The sky turns red, the wind still warm, a sacred peace before the storm. Each tone a prayer, each beat divine, a message written in the line. I raise my eyes, I feel the sound, the rhythm shakes the holy ground. The rhythm rolls, the spirit wide, the soul reborn from deep inside. No fear remains, no shadows lie, the sun climbs high in Jah's own sky. Each note a light, each word a flame, and all the world calls out his name. Jah light rising over me, breaking chains, setting free from the dark into gold, the truth and love forever told. I've walked through storm and heavy rain, I felt the loss, I felt the pain, but Jah light shines and I can see the path that leads to unity. The bass still hums, the dub still white, the groove still rolling like the tide. Each drop of sound, each chord so near, it wipes away my doubt and fear. The world still spins, the sound still true, the light of Jah comes shining through. No head can stand, no war can stay, where love and music lead the way. The rhythm rules, the spirit grows, the truth of life forever flows from heart to heart, from soul to soul. Jah's light will make the broken whole. Ooh, Jah light rise, shine across the sky. Ooh, golden flame, burn away the pain. Oh, the echoes fall, the reverb wide, the sound of faith on every side. Each bass line throb, each tone so deep, it rocks the world and wakes the sleep. Ooh, morning fire, ooh, lift the spirit higher. Ooh, sweet refrain, ooh, wash me clean again. The drums still roll, the dub still hums, the peace of dawn forever comes. The world still new, the sound still pure. Jah light forever will endure. No temple high, no crown, no throne, the truth of Jah stands all alone. Through every song, through every beat, his love still moves through dancing feet. Each tone a seed, each word a tree that grows through every melody. No borderline, no color divide, one rhythm flows through every side. The horns still cry, the roots still deep, the world awakens from its sleep. The fire still warm, the groove still true, the light still shining over you. No end to love, no death to peace, the sound of Jah will never cease. The rhythm strong, the voice still high, the light still burning in the sky. Jah light rising over me, breaking chains, setting free from the dark into gold, the truth and love forever told. Jah light rising pure and clear, whispering hope into my ear. Every breath, every sound is love and power all around. Now day has come, the world reborn, the morning bright, the shadows gone. Each sound remains, each tone still true, the rhythm lives in me and you. The bass line hums, the drums still slow, the spirit moves where rivers flow. No and no fear, no need to hide, the light of Jah will speaks, the fire still high. The spirit dances through the sky. Roots spread forever strong. Sing the truth, we all belong. From dusk to dawn, from sea to flame, one Jah love remains the same. The ground still hums beneath my feet. The bass line rolls, the groove complete. The hand drum calls, the guitar cry. A sacred sound beneath the sky. The smoke still rises, the voices sing. The night still moves on a reggae swing. No crown, no gold, no fame to keep. Just truth that awakes the hearts from sleep.
Each tone a stone, each beat a flame. Each breath still speaks Jah's holy name. The wind still hums, the roots still deep. The sound of faith through nights we keep. The people sway, the children dance. The rhythm pulls us all in trance. One love, one sound, one world, one heart. We've been united from the start.
Roots spread, rise from the earth, calling love, calling rebirth. The drum still speaks, the fire still high. The spirit dances through the sky. Oh yeah, yeah.
I've walked through deserts, cried through storms, but Jah still keeps my spirit warm. Through every loss, through every fear, His voice still whispers, I am here. The bass still heavy, the horns still sing. The night still shines with everything. Each drop of sweat, each tear of grace becomes the rhythm's holy place.
No book, no wall, no sword, no chain can kill the song that breaks the pain. Each beat still hums, each tone still wide. Each soul reborn on the inside. The fire burns,
The roots still strong. We've been chanting all along. Through every sound, through every prayer, Jah's light still living everywhere.
roots so deep, hear the mountains weep. Drum so wide, feel the tide inside. The echo rolls, the dub still clear. The rhythm wipes away the fear. Each tone repeats, the reverb high. The smoke still curls into the sky.
Ooh, chanting low, let the spirit flow. Ooh, bassline wide, lift my soul with pride. The snare still sharp, the horns reply. The groove still grows beneath the sky.
Each sound alive, each heart still true. The roots still breathe in me and you.
The dancers move, the elders smile. The sound has traveled every mile. From Kingston town to Zion Hill, the rhythm speaks and always will. Each hand that claps, each foot that pounds, becomes a prayer in sacred sounds. The world's still turning, hearts still high. The rhythm bridges earth and sky.
No borders left, no hate to grow. The roots still bind what we all know. The people hum, the night still warm. The sound still calm before the storm.
Each tone a wave, each sun climbs high, the groove still slow. The fire within begins to glow. Each voice still lives, each sound still true. The roots still grow in me and you. Each breath a tone, each beat a prayer. The light of Jah still fills the air.
And when the drums begin to fade, the piece of roots will still be made. No silence cold, no heart apart. The rhythm lives inside the heart. The bass still deep, the sky still blue. The sound of roots still carries through. Forever strong, forever near. The roots still whisper, Jah is here. Ooh, roots press strong. We've been singing all along. Ooh, drums so deep, the world still keeps. The bass line rolls, the dub still wide. The love still flows like ocean tide. Roots break, forever free. The sound of life in you and me. Fire in Zion burning bright, lighting up the heart of night. One love rising, no divide. The lion roars from deep inside. The drums hit hard, the bass rolls wide. Our holy flame, we cannot hide. The people chant, the ground still shake. The roots revive, the spirits wake. Each snare a spark, each beat a call. No chain of fear can stand at all. From Kingston town to Lake Biwa shore, the fire of Jah forevermore.
Fire in Zion
Burning bright, lighting up the heart of night. One love rising, no divide. The lion roars from deep inside.
Drum and bass like thunder roll. Echo beats through every soul. The guitars can cuts clean and fast. The roots revive the ancient past.
Each step we take, each hand we raise, becomes a song of Jah to praise. The flame within, no storm can kill. The rhythm moves and always will. Ooh, fire so pure, keep our hearts secure. Ooh, lion strong, guide our souls along. Echo rolls, reverb high, smoke of praise across the sky. The bass still low, the horns reply. Zion burns and we testify.
I see the youth, them find a way. Their eyes ignite a brighter day. No guns, no chains, no hate, no lies. Just truth and peace that never
The
dies.
roots still grow, the drums still sing. Freedom flows in everything. Each voice a spark, each heart a flame. All praising Jah in every name.
Fire in Zion
Burning bright, lighting up the heart of night. One love rising, no divide. The lion roars from deep inside.
Now midnight fades, but fire remains, still flowing deep through veins and chains. Each bass drop pure, each tone divine. The roots resound in space and time. From earth to sky, from sea to soul. The rhythm makes the spirit whole. No end, no fear, no final fall. Jah love still burning overall.
Oh, fire in Zion. keep on burning lion. Ooh, baseline deep, wake the world from sleep. The drums still roll, the flames still white, roots and soul unified. When the sound begins to fade, the spirit stays, the fire remains. Freedom chant, rise up high. No more chains, no more lies. Voice of the people, strong and clear. Rebel hearts, got no fear. Freedom chant, our people sing. Feel the power that love will bring. Every soul, every land, one vibration hand in hand.
The streets still hum, the drums still loud, the roots still strong in every crowd. The youth still march, the banners rise, their eyes reflect the morning skies. Each bassline drop, each snare hit tight. The sound of truth ignites the night. We chant for peace, we chant for love, we chant for Jah from high above.
The fire burns in every tone, the rhythm shakes the flesh and bone. No system strong, no power tall can break the rules that bind us all. The world still spins, the people grow, the reggae wind forever blow. Each word we sing, each breath we give, reminds the world we still must live. Freedom chant, rise up high. No more chains, no more lies. Voice of the people, strong and clear. Rebel hearts, got no fear. Freedom chant, our people sing. Feel the power that love will bring. Every soul, every land, one vibration hand in hand.
The lion roars, the drums reply, the flag still wave beneath the sky. The rhythm rolls through city walls. Each beat of voice, each tone still calls. The bass so thick, it shakes the street. The people moving steady beat. From yard to yard, from shore to shore. The freedom sound forevermore.
No hate, no gun, no man divide. The truth still flows like ocean tide. Each color bright, each heart still one. We all shine under the same sun. The horns still cry, the roots still roll. The rhythm cleanses every soul. No chain to bind, no wall to stand. The power lives in Jah's own hand. Ooh, freedom sound.
Lift the people off the ground.
Ooh, chant so true. The fire burns in me and you. Each echo wide, each drum beat loud. The dub still moves through every crowd. The river rolls, the bass line deep. The spirit wakes what once did sleep. Ooh, rise up tall, we won't fall. Ooh, roots still play. Guide the world today. The snare still sharp, the echo spins. The chanting vibe forever wins. The dub still wide, the horn still cry. Freedom chant will never die.
The world still sings, the time still near. The sound of peace we long to hear. Each child that dances, each mother's cry becomes a prayer beneath the sky.
No king, no crown, no hate, no war can break the strength we're fighting for. The rhythm strong, the heart still pure. The voice of Jah will still endure. Each hand we raise, each step we take, each note we play, each vow we make. The light still shines, the flame still glows. The chant still stronger as it grows. No silence cold. rhythm rose, the truth still free. We are the song of unity. Freedom child, rise up high. No more chains, no more lies. Voice of the people, strong and clear. Rebel hearts, got no fear. Freedom child, our people sing. Feel the power that love will bring. Every soul, every land, one vibration hand in hand.
Now dawn arise, but we still sing. The roots still hum through everything. The bassline moves, the world still wide. The freedom flow becomes our guide.
Each tone still pure, each word still true. The light still burning me and you. No end, no wall, no cage, no chain. Can't stop the love that will remain.
The people strong, the spirit near. The chant still ringing crystal clear. The rhythm breathes, the night turns blue. The fire lives in all we do.
Forever sound, forever flame. The world reborn in Jah's own name. Freedom child, your time has come. The revolution just begun. Ooh, freedom rise.
Through the people's eyes,
Ooh, shine so high.
reach across the sky.
The bass still thump, the snare still roll. The sound still healing every soul. Freedom child, forever strong. The heartbeat lives in every song. One love horizon shining white. The sun of peace on every side. Through storm and fight, through pain and rain. The love of Jah will still remain. One love horizon, clear and true. The light of life in me and you. No chain to bind, no wall to hide. We rise together, side by side. The night fades slow, the sky turns red. The world awakes, the fears have fled. The ocean hums, the bassline low. The roots still strong beneath the flow. Each tone a wave, each sound a seed. Each heart still learns what love can lead. No crown, no gold, no man, no throne. The truth of Jah stands all alone. The drums still speak, the rhythm wide. The people move in one inside. Each voice a spark, each beat a flame. The world reborn in Jah's own name. The horn still cry, the dub still roll. The roots still warm the human soul. Each tone repeats, each echo sings. The love of life in everything. One love horizon, shining wide. The sun of peace on every side. Through storm and fight, through pain and rain. One love horizon. The love of Jah will still remain. I've walked through time, I've seen the fall, but love still answers every call. The hills still green, the river wide. The rhythm flows with endless tide. Each tone of peace, each song of grace still echoes through the human race. No war, no hate, no greed, no lies. Just endless truth beneath the skies. The rhythm hums, the world still new. The morning paints a golden hue. Each heartbeat pure, each breath still free. The light of Jah surrounding me. The people dance, the heart still sing. The roots of love in everything. From earth to sky, from land to sea. The slow, the reverb wide, the dub still rolls like ocean tide. Ooh, endless flame, call the people's name. Ooh, river flow, carry peace where we go. The snare still sharp, the horns reply, the roots still rise beneath the sky. The dub expands, the spirit high. One love horizon never die. The elders hum, the children play, the roots still move in humble way. Each sound of drum, each skank of string still builds the world where angels sing. The air's still sweet, the heart's still strong, the reggae rolls the world along. Each voice still clear, each soul still pure. One love remains forever sure. No end to faith, no loss to pain. The truth of Jah will still remain. Each rhythm breathes, each tone still lives. The spirit takes, the spirit gives. No night too long, no dark too deep. For love still guards the soul we keep. The rhythm calm, the fire slow. The horizon still begins to glow. One love horizon, shining wide. The sun of peace on every side. Through storm and fire, through pain and rain. The love horizon, guide the world through endless nights. Yeah. One love horizon, pure and bright. Guide the world through endless night. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Oh, ah, ah. Oh, ah, yeah, yeah. Oh. The man's vibration, feel the sound, heartbeat rhythm all around. From mountain high to ocean deep, the world still sings while others sleep. One earth vibration, strong and free. The sound of life in you and me. No borderline, no hate, no war. Just a vibration for us all. The dawn breaks slow, the sky still white. The bass line hums like ocean tide. The drum still soft, the rhythm kind. The world begins to free its mind. Each note a seed, each tone a flame. Each voice still speaks Jah holy name. The rhythm moves through wind and rain and heals the world from all its pain. The people rise, the voices blend. The song of love will never end. From Sugar Hills to Zion along each dawn divine. The roots still stretch through space and time. Each breath still true, each sound still kind. The peace of just still